In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your chief profile in Whiteout Survival. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is open up Whiteout Survival, log into your account and then tap onto your profile. Then from here, we can see our chief profile. Then from here, below your character, we've got the profile image, so go ahead and click onto that. Then from here, this is where we can change the chief avatar, so we can go ahead and upload a custom image if we like. So once we open this up, a custom avatar upload will need to be reviewed first, during which you will be unable to upload another avatar for up to 3 days. Becoming a VIP 10 can reduce the upload cooldown by 48 hours. So we can go ahead and view our album or take a photo to change that, or we can select an avatar that's already in the game here, and the more you progress in the game, the more of these characters will unlock. So if I go ahead and click on this locked one, it will say you don't own this hero. We need to go ahead and get that hero. Yeah, so keep playing the game and these ones will slowly unlock. Now, for example, I want to change it to say this character. I want to click onto it, then click confirm. And now you can see my avatar has been, my profile or avatar has been updated.